This is Anju. We just met and we are just having tea.
I find her. I find she was on a walk, you know. Like, I find her. I said hi. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, come to visit Aleppo. It's a nice place. You see a girl who's traveling very freely and very comfortably, and I should mark it up for myself about my hometown. You know,
Yes.
beautiful place. Ask her.
It's really nice. It's a big city as well as it has its beauty. I will talk to you in some time. Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ajita, and if you're new here, make sure to check this link to know more about me. I'm on my way to Alleppey and I'm traveling here with a friend of mine from school in Kottayam.
Hey buddy, I'm Alex.
So the backwater experience starts now. For the backwater experience, the houseboat can be very expensive. So if you don't want a hole in your pocket, you can take a similar boat like this. It costed us just rupees 15 for a 3-hour boat ride from Kottayam to Alleppey. This is so good. You must definitely do the backwater experience. It's so pretty. And this is for you, Ruben. Shanti Shanti. This is how a boat stop looks like. A house like this, there's no way it is connected to road. There's water on that side and there's water here. We just reached Alleppey and we are on our way to the hostel. The hostel is quite nice. It's painted white and clean, which adds to the beauty of the place. After checking in, we'll head to the beach right opposite to me, and it looks pretty amazing. This is the Alleppey beach. We are going to just stay here for a while and maybe see the sunset. The beach is quite clean and it's not very crowded, mainly because it's a weekday and it's off season. But the waves are quite fierce. So I think this is the maximum sunset we are going to get. I'm just gonna walk back to my hostel. It's been a beautiful busy day. Good morning.
Morning.
It's day 2 and we are going to 2 temples first and then we will go to the market. Alex needs to buy a lungi.
Spooky.
Yeah, so see you.
Bye.
So they were dressing that idol for this temple which broke down during heavy rains and winds. And that's Alex with Tilak. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
This is the second temple and it looks pretty magnificent and there's also some music playing in the background. This was a pretty cool temple. The architecture was really nice and intricate. Now we'll be heading to get some lungis. Good. We are going to the Pozioram beach and Alex here is dressed in lungi. that's the beach and that's the backwater. Pretty cool. We just walked by the beach to reach Pozioram beach, but there is no way to reach that beach by walking on the sand. So we decided to sit at the Alleppey beach and just chill. That feeling when you think the whole place belongs to you, but still nothing belongs to you. You're not in control of this big, wide, huge ocean. When you're here just by yourself and look on the far end and you feel like, oh, this is mine. But in reality, this is nobody's. I'm so glad we just sat by the beach and did nothing, just chilled. So unlike me, Alex just left, he went back to the hostel to just relax. And now I'm walking to Pozioram beach by the main road. So many change of plans. So probably Pozioram beach पे पता नहीं कुछ है कि नहीं. But I'm riding here with Mr. Jose and वो मुझे drop करेंगे Thumpoli beach पे and वहाँ से maybe I'll take a bus to Merari beach. So I got down at the Merari Kulam bus stop and यहाँ से it's just a 5-minute walk to the beach. And I can already see the water. It's so cool. That's from where water from the beach goes to the backwater. Quite interesting. There are way less people than Alleppey beach here. Wow. This water is quite fierce and the waves are crashing right at the beach. I'm just really loving my time here.
I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you.
It's so difficult to get enough of the beach. The waves, the water rushing to your feet and the sunset right in front of you, and you can stand all day long here and not get tired of it. That's what nature does to you, I think.
The summer's calling.
So this is the last of the sunset. I'm planning to basically walk back to the main street. It's 6:30 and before it gets dark, I'll probably catch a bus back to Alleppey town. But it's so crazy out here, Merari beach. Good morning. It's our last day touring Alleppey and today the plan is to go on a canoe village tour. We are traveling with Oscar Cruise and this boat will take us to where the canoe is parked and from there we'll start the village tour. If you are in Alleppey at the right time of the year, you can watch the snakeboat race or its practice that starts several days before the actual race. We have stopped for the breakfast first and then we'll start with the canoe tour. अभी हम इंदु लाल जी के साथ कैनू में बैठेंगे और हम कहाँ कहाँ जाएंगे.
He is going the lake and after the small canal, next in river and after narrow canals for 5 kilometers.
That's how you get toddy in a bottle. Toddy is a local alcohol made of coconut and palm. So we are back at the house where we had breakfast. Now we'll have lunch. But on our way back, it was so calm, and it sometimes happens that you are in such a calm state that you really stop bothering about so many things around you. So why I brought this topic up, because my camera just fell into the river and Lali was quick enough to get it out of the water, and I hope nothing happens to it. But somehow I did not get that anxiety or like a worried attack kind of thing. I was calm. I still don't know it will be okay or not, but I believe it will be okay. I think that's what peace of mind does to you. So yes, we'll just have lunch and head out to our ferry to Alleppey. So after our lunch at the house, now we will take a ferry back. Yeah. And yeah, my camera still doesn't work. I'm in a dargah right now, and the namaz you hear behind me, I've been listening it since last 2 nights, and I wanted to just be nearer to it. So I am here right now, and I'm going to just say goodbye to you, and I hope you enjoyed touring Alleppey with me. Comments में बताओ कैसा लगा. And the Alleppey boat tour was like an average for me given the price, given its cost. So अगर कोई और cheaper means of touring through canals है कोई, तो please comments में बताओ, so that our fellow travelers know about these things. And make sure to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you really soon with the next part of the trip. Until then, bye.
We have a mall here, the first mall in the Alleppey. It's called Woodlands Mall. It's the first mall.
Namaskar.